Wireless Productions here. Big day for us. 2-post lift is going to be installed. We have the guys from Edwards and Sons. They're going to install our 2-post rotary lift. We'll just document it for you guys to see. You got a headphone thing? I'll put on the speakers, your music. Oh, yeah.
Do you know what side you want the control on? Usually it's on the passenger side, yeah. I didn't know if you want on this side because that'd be tight to the wall. Yeah, power unit. So if we stand it up, it'll be facing that way. The book is sitting there facing the motor that way. If you put it on this side, the motor faces back, and typically it's kind of in the way when you're in that hole. It's the first thing you step into the power unit. Sometimes it's like, yeah, about half an hour. Hardboard on the floors. Then you put that on the other side. Oh, can you put that one in the carriage? Can I drive over these? Yeah. Want me to move the chairs? No, I got it. Carry everything. Wow. People's force up, man. He's fine.
The other installer?
Huh?
The other installer guy?
That's the owner. Yeah.
Oh, Edwards. Edwards. Oh, really?
Put the faceplate right on there. It stands up. Should be good. I did catch the bolts. Yeah. You know, that's okay as long as it doesn't. As long as I don't drag it across. Or this is all the way out. Right? I put my tool. Yeah. No. I should do it myself. Sweet. Do you want your spine dish installed? I don't know if you're backing cars on and multiple cars. I don't see the need for it. But I'd like to leave it with you and give you the option. You might find something that's. So one of the wonderful thing about lift installations.
So these are the anchors for Hilti, made in Mexico. But these are huge chunks of steel. So they're great. I mean, big fat. Should get a ton of load on this. So.
Dealerships when I started carrying 40 lifts, inspecting all of them, down on the ground, walking away. Fun times. entry point. Yeah. So that's pretty good though. So it's probably hung up in the carriage over there. If you reach up in there, you can see it. Oh, there it is. That's close because I got to put arm off each time. I got this area, so we got plenty of room. Alright, let's fire her up. Yeah, it pretty much uses up a gallon of oil per cylinder before you can go up. It's like a lot of oil.
Well, you ain't that old, but you ain't that young. Live a life, but you ain't
Want to
that
look at it?
done. All eyes on you everywhere you go. Yes,
Yeah, I do that side first, that's for sure has less air in it. Yeah. But all the air has reached the top of the cylinder by now, so it doesn't matter which one you use first or last. But just, you know, one of those things you make sure you get smooth this time. Matt does like 3 or 4. But I stop when I stop getting there. Yeah.
listen, listen, say this time of day. Is it in your words? Is it in your act? If you're in that state, breathe on me somebody. Make somebody believe.
So here's our lift install. This is Kevin and Tony from Edwards and Sons. Hey guys.
Hello.
Thank you for installing our lift. We very appreciate it. These guys are very professional. They know their stuff. They've been through through this before many times, just from watching them and hearing them work. We probably could have installed the lift ourselves, but this is what we paid for, their expertise. I mean, they know the little tricks to do it right, and our concern is the safety of, you know, if we go under the lift, we don't want anything to drop.
Completely.
So,
Yeah,
is there? Thank you again very much for the installation. Is there anything
thank you.
that we need to do maintenance-wise, or anything? Give us a couple of pointers for
When
any.
you're using the lift, typically the things that'll put the most amount of wear on the cables is not using the locks. So anytime you raise your vehicle up, just make sure you set it down onto the locks.
Right.
Your cable life will live, you know,
Okay.
probably doubles the life of the cables.
And then when the locks go up, they're supposed to clack
Should evenly.
both at the same time, right?
Within a half a second of each other as you're going up.
Okay.
Click, 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 or, you know, preferably at the same time.
Perfectly the same time. Right. So.
So the floor anchors, you want to check those once a month.
Uh-huh.
Just like I was torquing them, it would be the exact same thing.
To 95 foot-pounds, right?
Yeah, and then you're just, you know, as you're operating the lift, you're just looking for oil on the ground. You're not going to have any leaks, but just trying to be, you know, vigilant and make sure that anything that you do see, you let us know. I mean, you've bought a rotary lift and you had it installed by, you know, authorized installers, so you get the extended warranty on the lift.
Okay. And then for maintenance-wise, how many years is it to have it, or how many months or years, or is it to get inspected?
We recommend every year.
Every year? Okay.
For a lift operation, for the ALI certification, we recommend have it looked at once a year, and we'll come through and do a full safety inspection.
Okay, no worries. Is you know, looking for a quality install for their 2-post lift and any inspections, Edwards and Sons are the folks to go to.
Thank you.
You want to show them your shirt and
Oh,
do
yeah,
the
Edward and Sons, here you go.
there's a little advertising.
There you go.
Advertising. These guys are professional. They know their stuff.
30 years in business in the Bay
I
Area.
highly recommend them. And you know, we're gonna for our inspections, we're gonna call you guys. So
We
you know,
appreciate it.
we'll see you in a year or something. So, all right, thanks guys, appreciate it.
You're welcome.
The cars are back in the shop. Lift looks great. This is the Rotary 2-post SPO10 symmetrical lift. We got the symmetrical version due to you can put the car or the vehicle with the engine front or back. It's a little bit more versatile for us that way versus the asymmetrical. But hopefully this will make us a bit more productive here at the shop. No more oil changes or transmission swaps on our back. But big thanks to Kevin and Tony from Edwards and Sons. They really helped us out. If you're in the Bay Area, give them a call. They're in Pleasanton. They'll help you out with any lift service or installs that you need. But that's it for now. It's been a long day. Wireless Productions here. See you guys later.